How to create a Discord guild. Now, this may not be available for some users. I already updated my Discord software, but guild settings is not showing on my screen. So if you wanted to check it, all you have to do is to click on any channels that you created and go to your channel. From there, go to server settings. Now it is usually located here on the apps. It says guild settings, but you can see it's not available on my end. Now, if we go into our Discord FAQs, the updated Discord FAQs, all you have to do is just, if your server is currently in the experiment, you'll see an option to convert your server as an in-app pop-up or the top left of your app. Now, choose a game you would like a guild to play together. You can also change this later if you want to add more games or edit the current ones. Select the play style for your guild. You can choose either very casual, competitive, or very competitive. Now, another one is you can choose the type of demographic you want to recruit to your guild. Next thing is what does your guild like to talk about? You can choose any of these as options right here and you can also type it in. Now, next thing is tell potential recruits what your guild is all about. So you can like add a brief message here. Now, this is the best part. Create a badge and tag for your guild. You can choose any tags or badge that you wanted to use. And from here, you can customize your guild brand further by selecting banner color scheme. You can choose one of these options right here: night sky, castle, world map, seafoam, warp house, pulsar mesh, and spatter. The guild look. This is actually the settings that we just adjusted, or if you choose in any options above, will be the result. And from there, you can set an application for users interested in joining your guild. So after that, you just have to click on next and follow through. Then you just created your own Discord guild. So that's it. That's how you create a Discord guild.